Myself Nikita Nakate from Division A, roll number 38. We give presentation on the topic highway safety. We decided this topic by considering the traffic safety situation in India. My teammates are Sumit, Prathamesh, Vedant and Vaishnav. Outline of our presentation is introduction, importance of road safety challenges in India, road accident statistics, steps to be taken for preventing road accidents, major highway safety challenges in India, advantages of highway safety and conclusion of highway safety. First, what is meant by highway safety? Highway safety is the methods or measures used to prevent the road users from being killed or serious injury. I will give the introduction and importance of the highway safety. Introduction of the highway safety. The main purpose of adopting safety measures for highways and roadsides is to reduce the number of accidents, to facilitate the safer journey, to increase the quality of transit system, to maintain the regular traffic flow. By seeing this graph, we can conclude that most of the accidents are because of motorcycles. Approximately 74% of accidents are because of motorcycles, 12% of accidents because of four-wheeler cars, 2% of accidents because of heavy trucks and 1% by others. Importance of road safety. Road accident is a serious public health problem. Problem is much more serious in India. Over 5 lakh accidents are in 2018. Ensuring road safety priority area of Government of India. Government of India is committed that to reduce the number of road accidents and fatalities by 50% up to 2020. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, nodal agency of road safety. I will hand over my presentation to Vedant.
Hello everyone, myself Vedant Patil from Division A. My roll number is A54. My topic name is Road Safety Challenges in India. In India, due to the increased motorization, urbanization and migration, India faces several road congestion in most areas. CAGR, which means compound annual growth rate of motor vehicles, is about over 10%. Growth in road network is about only 4%, which causes congestion in impacting road safety. Road safety hostility issues involving roads, motor vehicles and human beings. There is lack of coordination between different stakeholders. In a federal setup, much depends on efforts of states to mobilize data on road accidents. These are the road safety challenges in India. Our next topic is road accidents statistics. About 1.35 million people die in road crashes each year. On average, 3,700 people lost their lives every day on a road. An additional 20 to 50 million suffers non-fatal injuries, often resulting in long-term disabilities. More than half of all road traffic deaths occur among vulnerable road users, which is in cyclists, motorcyclists, and pedestrians. Road traffic injuries are leading cause of death among the young people aged between 5 to 29. Young adults aged 15 to 44 account for more than half of all road deaths. More than that, 90% of all road fatalities occur in low and middle income countries, even though these countries have approximately 60% of world's vehicle. On average, road crashes cost countries 3% of their gross domestic products. Two-wheelers account of 25% of total road crashes, which means about one fourth of all road accidents are caused by two-wheelers. One serious road accidents in each country occurs in every minute, and 16 dies on Indian roads every hour. This is the graph which represents number of road accidents per lakh population. As we can see, as the years increases, there is population increases, and due to the population there is a transport vehicles increases, and as vehicle number increases, the number of road accidents per lakh also increases by year by year. Thank you everyone. I hand over my further topic to Prathamesh.
So let's start with next point, steps to be taken for preventing road accidents. Most important method to bring down accidents is strict enforcement of speed limits. Of 90% of accidents can be avoided by strict enforcement of speed limits. Who crosses the speed limit, against them they should take a strict action. Heavy penalty should be imposed on all those who process speed limits. If this is strictly implemented, nobody will dare to go off high speed. Existing speed limits should be brought down further. Heavy penalty for those who causes the accident. Heavy penalty should be taken from them. Tamper-proof speed control should be made mandatory for all heavy vehicles. All the vehicles owners should have tamper-proof with them always. Government should tell the company to design maximum speed of 50 to 60 kilometer per hour. That if vehicle crosses 50 above 50, the the speed of vehicle will be locked and the maximum speed will remain 50 km per hour. New cages are to be developed for collision preventing should be fitted on all vehicles. DRDO and other organizations should be asked to develop such gauges on war footing. For example, gauges can be developed to automatically slow down the vehicle if safe distance comes with the speed of the vehicle front is not maintained. Driving test for issue of driving license is to be made more straightened and foolproof. Rising of lower age limit for two-wheeler and heavy vehicle license to 21. Nowadays, 18 is the age limit to the driving license. It should be taken to 21. Helmet should be made compulsory by law in all states. Helmet should be made compulsory for backseater also. If the two persons are going from the two wheeler, the back person is not wearing the helmet, so back person also should wear the helmet to avoid the accident. So these are the steps to be taken for preventing the road accident. So next I will hand over to Sumit. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Sumit Daboy, Division A, roll number 13. We give presentation on highway safety. I will give major highway safety challenges in India. The high mortality and morbidity associated with road traffic injuries are major public health challenges worldwide. Every year, road traffic crashes kill estimate 1.2 million people. The figure for the injuries over the 50 millions. Significant increases in this estimate are projected over the next decade. Heavy vehicles parked on slow lanes with no tails and emergency light. Seat belts in car and crash helmets for pedal. And motorcycle are not used regularly and increases the risk for serious and fatal injuries. Excessive speed, novice driver with no knowledge of for road safety driving and those with high blood alcohol level contribute to serious road crashes. The failure to maintain adequate distance between vehicles and also makes driving on Indian road perilous. Vehicles overload with people, produce and product go unchecked. In addition, those identified for breaking road safety rules are often a source of additional income for enforcement personnel. In India needs to aim for safe and suitable road system. There is also need to seriously examine and correct lapses and inadequacies in road design and planning. I will hand over my presentation to Vaishnav. Thank you.
Self Vaishnav Redekar from Division A. My roll number is 59. Our report topic is highway safety. There are some advantages of highway safety. The first one is to make the roads and highways of the country safe. The second one is to control and check the roadworthiness of vehicles. The third is to control the work and infrastructure system to eliminate or minimize accidents on the road. Fourth is to educate drivers and pedestrians about the importance of road rules, discipline and mutual respect. The last advantage of highway safety is the advantages of safety features in roads and vehicles are a lower rate of injuries and fatalities. The last point of our report is the conclusion. The conclusion is the road safety is very important nowadays as there has been too much of increase in vehicles on a road and it becomes crucial that we follow the traffic rules and laws and save ourselves and our families from road accident. Also making other people aware of road safety rules could make our roads safe. So this was our report.